everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar unboxing for you and it is Charlotte Tilbury. Look how beautiful this box is. It is so gorgeous. Ooh, they want to come out. There's 12 drawers inside, 12 products, 3 are full size and 9 are travel sizes. It has a value of £243 and it can be bought for £170. You can lift the top up to put whatever you want in there afterwards. A really gorgeous keepsake box, really pretty. You'll find a link to it down below in my description, and down there you'll see all my discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look down there if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside. Now funny enough, I've already unboxed this, so I know exactly what's inside and I've swatched everything. It's just I accidentally deleted all the footage, so I'm doing it all for the second time, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Starting off, we've got a lipstick. This is Hyaluronic Hyper Kiss. So beautiful shade, really pretty. It's infused with hyaluronic acid and peptides. It's a glossy balm in like a nudie pink shade. See, it's really nice, isn't it? So just like a hint of a tint of colour to your lips there, with all the benefit of the skincare ingredients. I got to remember from last time actually not to twist it up too much because I can't push it back down. So hopefully, yeah, that's fine. Okay, moving along here. Show you how they look there. So as this is a reusable advent calendar, once you finish unboxing it all, you can take out all these little extras then. So you've got these compartments to store whatever you want to store in them. We have got a travel size. This is a lip cheat, a reshape and resize lip liner in shade Pillow Talk. And again, it's the same pinky nude shade. This is beautiful. I love this lip liner. It's one of my favorites. It applies beautifully, but the shade just goes with so many different lipsticks of mine. Besides reds, but then still you could easily blend that in. But no, it's a really gorgeous lip liner. I love that one. Moving along, and we've got a eyeliner, and this is Pillow Talk eyeliner, blendable and long lasting, and this is like in a plummy brown shade, and this is really nice again. I love the shade. It's so pretty. Can you see there? It's like a burgundy colour then. Yeah, and really nice and flattering. I'm thinking my eyes. I got hazel eyes. Yeah, really happy with that. Then you've got a lipstick. What I forgot to say as well, that this advent calendar, I didn't buy it myself. I was sent it out of the blue. I didn't even know I was getting it. I wasn't told that I was being sent it or anything. So yeah, so thanks to Charlotte Tilbury for sending it out to me. We've got Matte Revolution Pillow Talk original lipstick there. This is a little mini one. Ooh, let's put that down a bit before I show you the shade. So exactly the same as the lip liner. Again, this is one of my favourites. I keep one of these in the car if ever I forget to apply lipstick. It's just a really gorgeous shade. Really nice. Moving on down, got the Magic Cream. This is Charlotte's Magic Cream Instant Turnaround Moisturiser. There's 15 mils here. This is a travel size, but it is lovely. It's really thick and creamy. Oh, I got it in my nails now. It's just so lovely. It feels like a really thick body butter cream, you know, but it is a really great moisturiser. I do prefer the light version, but then coming into the winter months, this is a type of cream that I would want anyway, just to give that extra hydration and, you know, a moisture boost to the skin, and it just feels really nice. It absorbs nicely into the skin. It doesn't sit on my skin. Yeah, I do really like it. Over to the other side. Ooh. Oh, we've got a setting spray. This is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party all night, stay all day. And there's 34 mils here, so this is a travel size. It's waterproof, lasts up to 16 hours. Oh, I really needed that. It's really hot in here. Yeah, it's a nice setting spray. And I've got a few of these. I've got little mini ones and I've got a full size. And I do use it. Down here, we've got mascara. We've got a Pillow Talk Push Up Lashes Mascara in black. It's to lift and lengthen your lashes. Can you see that it's quite a strange wand? There. I think I prefer the legendary Lashes mascaras, for my lashes anyway. Next one, I got a full size beauty wand, and this is a high blush in Pink Gasm. This is so pretty. You squeeze it up, but I'll have a look. Yeah, I still got some on there from last time. I adore these. I love the peachy one as well. I love the highlighters. It just gives like a gorgeous glass effect to your skin. It's just so beautiful. Really, really pretty. So yeah, happy with that. Moving around the corner, and we've got a serum. It's an award-winning serum with niacinamide and vitamin C, and it's the Magic Serum Crystal Elixir, and there's 8 mils here. So it's a small one, it's a travel size one, but it, as you already know, Charlotte Tilbury's products are on the luxury side of pricing, which is why we've got a little one there. Yeah, it's nice. I've used it before as well. I do like it. Besides the mascara, there's no products in this advent calendar that I wouldn't use. It's not that I don't like the mascara. Okay, yeah, I don't like the mascara. That is the truth. It's just because my lashes don't suit it. We got another lipstick. Got a Hollywood Beauty Icon, and this is Hollywood Vixen. Look at that shade. Woo! It's gorgeous, isn't it? Really, really pretty. So there's that. Then down the bottom, we've got a toner. This is the only product I've never tried before. This is the Glow Toner. It contains niacinamide, pore tighten peptide, exfoliative. And there's 30 mils here. So no, I've never tried this. It just says apply AM and PM to clean dry skin using a cleansing pad and follow with the Magic Skincare and avoid the eye area. And then the last item in the box, we've got a lip oil. It says lip conditioning by day and lip mask by night. And there's 8 mils here. There's a little roller ball there. Just squeeze it out. Very tacky. Smells amazing. It smells like cocoa butter. Yeah, this is a full-size award-winning lip oil for hydrated, luscious, kissable lips, infused with hyaluronic acid and plant extracts to lock in moisture, nourish and hydrate your lips. Oh, there you go. So those are all the products inside this year's Charlotte Tilbury's Beauty Chest of Love. 12 drawers, 12 products, 3 full sizes, 9 travel sizes, and comes in this reusable. I would use this as a jewellery box. It is really, really pretty, isn't it? Really pretty. Even though I really love a load of Charlotte Tilbury products, and there's some gorgeous things in here, I can't help but compare it to the Black Friday boxes. For instance, if we went for a £100 box, the product value would be around £200. Half the value of this advent calendar is around £120, but then obviously we're getting this box as well. I think it's beautiful. It is so gorgeous. Really great products. If you love Charlotte Tilbury and you absolutely adore this beauty box as well, then you are getting a good saving. I think it could have been improved. Maybe the lip liners and eyeliners could have been full size instead of travel. Maybe we could see 1 or 2 more full size lipsticks. I think that's the issue with me. It's not a big issue, but it's like, yeah. Although there's a few full sizes in there, it's majority travel size, and the lipsticks are quite small, you know. But I would love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Do you love it? Did you get one for yourself? Or are you thinking, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.